Hello guys! For today's ulam guys, magluluto tayo ng tinolang chicken or tinolang manok. Guys, kasi nagkikrib ako sa manok. Kasi lagi na lang ulam namin tuyo, dried dilis, dried danggit. Kaya manok-manok muna tayo for today's video. Ayo guys, anong ulam nyo dyan? Ang sarap ng sabaw guys, nagalatab-latab. Ay, ang tawag nila sa Tagalog ng mamantika. Taba yan ng manok guys, wala tong hindi to ginigisa. Diretso lang to. Yan. Nandiyan na yung ceiling green, nandiyan na yung sibuyas. Okay. Wow. So yummy.
What's that?
This is tinolang manok. This is malunggay. Did you eat malunggay?
Yes.
Yes, that's yummy. Is that your favorite, tinolang manok?
And this is a bowl.
Yeah, do you want sabaw?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a bowl, guys.
Yeah, this guys, do you want sabaw guys? Kuha lang kayo guys. Free lang guys. Yeah, Dana's favorite guys, tinolang manok. And look at that malunggay. Do you want to eat malunggay?
Yeah.
You guys, tara na guys, kainan na tayo guys. Yan, that is tinolang manok.
Come
Okay,
here,
wait.
come here, come
Okay, oh, look at that. Do you want to eat na? Are you hungry?
No.
Oh no, why? This is your olam. This is yummy olam. Tara na guys, kainan na.